Hello, Cesar.
Hi Mayra,
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks, and you?
Very well, thank you.
Okay, so let's start.
Yes. Hello. My name is Mayra Alexandra Mosquera Santos. I am 70 years old. I'm from Quibdó, Chocó. I live in Carepa. My nationality is Colombian. I am study public accounting for the first semester campus apartado. My phone number is 321 2000 74. My address is Carepa, Barrio Cama, calle 74, number 73, B21. Thank you.
Okay, Mayra, my name is Cesar Camilo Zapata Miranda. I am 18 years old. I am Colombian. I'm from Monteria. I live in Apartado, Pueblo Nuevo neighborhood. I am in the first semester of public account. My phone number is 3122225 and that's it.